Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove voice chat from WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's get to the video. Suppose I have this WhatsApp group and I'm heading over to it. And once I'm here, I can see I have already given a voice chat in this group and I just want to remove it. So all I need to do is to keep tapped on this and there will be an option appeared on my upper screen and it will be recycle bin option, and click on it, and here you can see an option delete for me or delete for everyone, as I want to remove the voice chat from the group and I don't want anyone to hear it. So what I will do is click on delete for everyone and the voice chat is deleted, and that's it. This is how you can remove voice chat from WhatsApp group. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.